Welcome to Madison Square Park. If you're in Manhattan, you can take a train to 23rd Street, the R and the W train, or you can take the 6 train, and it'll bring you right near this park. Now, probably the most well-known thing about this park is coming up right in front of me. You see all this green seating here, right? That's because there is a Shake Shack restaurant, and I'm just swinging around the curve here so you can see. This is the original Shake Shack. So for those of you who have heard of Shake Shack or you've eaten at Shake Shack, they have great waffle fries, by the way. This is the very first one, and it's outdoors here in the park. And here it is. Now, there's a lot more to this park that goes on throughout the year. Sometimes there's art installations, they have events. Obviously, during the winter, they have, hey, you want a chicken shack? During the winter, they have Christmas decorations. Lots of benches around for anybody who's taking a break from their job or school. Plenty of places for you to sit in the shade. There's lots of trees, as you can see, lots of green. This is near the Flatiron, Gramercy neighborhoods here in Manhattan. You can see that's corner of 24th and Madison right there. They don't want you to go on the lawn though. But there's plenty of other places for you to walk around, relax. I know for the kids, there's like a jungle gym in the back. We'll see that in a few minutes. But check this out, the lawn here is open. Sometimes people bring their pets here. I think on the other side, there's an area for dogs, specifically for dogs to play around. But as you can see here, they have the lawn open, which is not always do they have the lawn open for people to go inside. But on a nice day like today, it's the day after Memorial Day. It's a Tuesday. It's not even 70 degrees. Perfect time. So anybody who is a remote worker, this is a nice relaxing area. People won't bother you. This is a very nice neighborhood of Manhattan. Here's a gigantic fire hydrant. Like I said, there's like random art installations all around. See? Robert Luco. It's called This Is for the Hot Ones, a 15-foot high homage to the fire hydrant. And this is the jungle gym. If you have kids, you can bring them near here. They have like a spinning water thing where the kids can play. Kids love water, obviously. There's a little pond in the back here with seating. There's a statue in the back over there. Probably the best part of this park is all the shade, because on a sunny day, especially in the summer when it gets to be like 110 degrees outside, you definitely want to look for places that have shade. And as you can see, Madison Square Park has tons and tons of shade, tons and tons of trees. More seating all around. There's another look at that statue over there. I'm gonna go around this way.
People like help.
Lawn's open over here too, so people can go walk right up next to that other art installation right over there. That one's called the Village Potter, as you heard the lady say. This on the other side, you can see the streets right here. Broadway, 5th Avenue. Just in case you're wondering what it's bordered by. This 25th Street is right here. And obviously down where we came in, that's 23rd Street, where the train stations are. Now let's go back around this way. This place is specifically for dogs. If you have dogs, you can bring them here. And honestly, if you walk by this place, it does smell like there are dogs here, so, or there were dogs here. And you can see people cleaning the area. That path leads right back to Shake Shack. So let's see what's over here. There's some seating that is adjacent to Madison Square Park. Might take a look at that. I mean, as you can see, there's more seating over there. That's where we came in. And we'll take a look right outside the park because there's even more seating. And it's very pedestrian friendly, this area right here, right outside the park. You can see there's Eataly if you want some food. You know, if you're not in the mood for Shake Shack, here's an Eataly, which is popular here in Manhattan. They have quite a few locations around. They also have events here too. They, you know, let me see if I can cross so I can go into that area. Yes, lots of seating, as you can see. There's the Eataly. Now I'm heading back towards 23rd Street. You can see this is a very famous building. Looks like it's under construction. It's called the Flatiron Building. It's very narrow, but I believe it's a landmark. I am approaching the intersection of 23rd Street and 5th Avenue. And I think that's a good place to end this little tour of Madison Square Park and the adjacent area right near the Flatiron Building. Thank you for watching.